Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Folashade OG. If you're new here, please kindly subscribe to my channel. And in today's video I'll be showing you a step-by-step process on how I crimp my hair. Let's get right into the video. The first step I'm actually doing here is to comb out my hair with a blow dryer. This just makes the hair tangle free. You want a tangle free hair to work with in the first place, so you need to blow dry your hair. The next thing is an hair wax, and I'm just going to use that to lay my closure. The next step is the serum and heat protector. Just like you protect your face with a sunscreen, you need an heat protector for your hair. And this is just, it makes your hair protected because we are going to be using a whole lot of heat on the hair. The next step is my hot comb. I am using my hot comb to flatten my closure because I want a very flat closure. Maybe I'm selfish. I know you might be thinking, why am I going through all this process just to get my hair crimped? But we really need a tangle-free hair. The next step is me using my flat iron all over the hair. I just wanted the hair to be straight. I'm still going to crimp it, so that's why I'm just going all over the place trying to get the hair straightened.
To my thick chicks down in Texas, all the way.
Hi guys, so I have my first crimping tutorial. Somebody said she wanted to find out more about my crimping iron, so this is how it looks like. You can get any one, there are different brands right now, so you can just check it here. This is how it looks like, and if I find a link I'll be putting it down below in the description box. But right now this is how mine looks like. Open, close, and it has a switch over here. So the switch is just to regulate it. I'm currently on 200. Yeah, I'm currently on 220. So this is how it looks like. And I kind of save you guys the stress of watching me crimp from the beginning. So I have 3 pieces of hair left to show you guys, so we are going to do this together. So if you don't get it now, I still have another hair to show you guys properly on how to do it well. Just hold on, trust the process, and let's do this together.
In New Orleans where the girls cook catfish, and in LA every chick's an actress. Hollywood status with the shaded glasses. To Detroit, yeah, the place that I rest, where the ladies got asses and la sex. And hot Atlanta, y'all, is one of the best, where they speak southern slang and smoke la cess. And New York women are way too fresh. Too much on your mind, let me ease that stress. I wish you all were mine, it's so selfish. Maybe I'm feeling myself too much, I guess. But to my ladies all across the globe, in small towns that I don't even know, to all local international codes, whether you see me in streets or catch me at shows, I'm calling.
What I'm doing right now is just to make sure I get all the hair in. If your hair is a short wig, then you don't have much work to do, but this is a 26 inches. That's why I am struggling this much. So you have to get all the hair in to the tip. Now let's do another tutorial. This particular one, I am not fast forwarding it, and we are doing this together. So you want to take a small section of the hair, comb it. Make sure you comb the hair before crimping. Then you open your crimping iron, place it on it, and leave it for about, I honestly just leave it for about a few minutes, or you can just count 1 to 20. Once you count 1 to 20, you take it to the next one. It might look a little bit too stressful, but I promise you it's totally worth it. You just put it on it, crimp it, and close it.
Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. To my thick chicks down in Texas, all the way to New Orleans where the girls cook catfish. And in LA every chick's an actress. Hollywood status with the shaded glasses. To Detroit, yeah, the place that I rest, where the ladies got asses and la sex. And hot Atlanta, y'all, is one of the best, where they speak southern slang and smoke la cess. And New York women are way too fresh. Too much on your mind, let me ease that stress. I wish you all were mine, it's so selfish. Maybe I'm feeling myself too much, I guess. But to my ladies all across the globe, in small towns that I don't even know, to all local international see me in streets or catch me at shows, I'm calling. Maybe I'm
This is just we have just done, and it is looking so different right now. It's looking totally different, and I'm really loving the result I am getting from this crimping iron. So we are going to do one last tutorial together so you guys can fully understand it. So I hope you guys try this. I hope you guys try it at home, and you should tag me on social media, on Instagram at Folashade OG if you ever try this tutorial. Make sure you always take every inch of the air in. Make sure you take every inch of the air in. Yeah, just like that. So guys, we are done with the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed creating. And if you ever want to purchase this unit, I'll be leaving the link down in the description box below so you can check it out. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe.